On the WHAS 11 night team, Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear returned to Mayfield today, not to talk about tornado damage, but instead to see the aftermath of record flooding this week. Beshear visited with Mayfield Mayor Kathy Onan and people impacted by the floods. Storms moved through western Kentucky Tuesday night, flooding streets, cars, and homes, and knocking out power. The National Weather Service says Mayfield set a 24-hour rainfall record in the state with at least 11 inches of rain. It's the same area devastated by an EF4 tornado a year and a half ago.
Not to feel like we've been punched in the gut a little bit for this town and this area to be hit again. But I can tell you one thing, the people of Western Kentucky are tough, and after the last year and a half, absolutely know how to lift themselves up and rebuild.
No deaths were reported in the flooding. Governor Beshear says he believes the area will qualify for federal assistance, but regardless, the state will offer help.